I'm Lillian with Salon de Scottsdale, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'm here to share one final thing with you for the home perms. Well, this is the result of a finished look after it's completely dry. I'm very, very pleased with the results. If you remember, I put a larger rod in the bang or fringe area so that the curl won't be as tight as the rest of the hair, and it worked. It's not work it with your fingers and go through your day with it. But that is just the completion of this segment. And again, if you've looked at this whole video and thought, I just can't do that, you can always go to your local hairdresser, pay a little extra, and get it done that way. On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'd like to thank you for your time.